So after hooking up our HD machine with 220 volt 3-phase power and turning on the machine, we will then turn on our computer and click on the Win CNC icon on our desktop. The Win CNC interface will then emerge and we will want to seek home. After starting up the machine for the first time every day, you must home the machine. You'll see the machine then homes its Z-axis, then its X-axis, and then its Y-axis. Once your interface is started up, your machine is homed, then you're going to want to start to set the origin positions for each of your zone. The machine is set up for 4 zones. The way that these pieces are set up is arbitrary to how you may set up the your pieces. This is why when you get the machine, you must reset the positions at which your origin is going to be. For example's sake, I'm going to set my origin at the top left of each piece. As you can see, the machine is already positioned at that spot, and I'm ready to start saving that part. Now, each zone is labeled both on the vacuum table as well as on the interface. To set up these parts, we then have to click on the Win Part Select icon on our desktop, and that will bring up this window. To enable each zone, you must highlight the checked box. As you highlight the check boxes, each zone is highlighted on the screen as well. To load a file on each part, you must highlight the zone in which you want it filed. In this case, I'm going to highlight zone 3 since that's where my machine is positioned currently. And then I'm going to click the 3 dots icon. That will open up a new folder, my Windows Explorer, where I could then choose a program. Once I have the program chosen, I'm ready to run the part. Right here, you could either hit Run Part, and the machine automatically brings it up on our Win CNC interface. To click the Simulate button, it looks like an eyeball or a view to show the file being run on the table. Now, to set these positions, I want to go to Settings, Positions. Now, each position is labeled here for part 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right now we're working with zone 3. So to set this position as my origin for zone 3, I have the machine at the coordinates that I would like. I then highlight zone 3 and click Get POS. That then changes my new origin to X 16.927, Y 3.6606. The Z is arbitrary. Each Z is going to be the same based off of our touchpad, which I will go over next. In order to use the touchpad, I'm going to place the touchpad on top of my material and then click the Touch Top button on our Win CNC interface. Now to go over everything one more time, to set our origin for our zone, we go to Settings, Position, highlight the zone we would like to set our origin for. Once we have the machine positioned in the spot in which the origin is going to be placed, we then click Get POS. That will then change the X and Y coordinates for your origin. Once you click OK, you are then coming back to the main screen for our Win CNC interface. To load our file, we go to the Win Part Select icon, highlight Zone 3, choose our program from our Windows Explorer. Once the program is selected, you click Run Part, click OK, then Exit. Now that the program is loaded onto our interface, we could then click Simulate, then the green button is to start program.